Okay, just doing a quick little instructional video on how to fit these aftermarket fiberglass cowls. They are a little bit different to the OEM ones. A couple little differences I'll point out now. So that's part of my old OEM ones. How it's got the grill, the vent here. So the fiberglass ones don't have that. I've found that it's not really needed. Your aircon can still suck in plenty of air. It doesn't affect anything. The fiberglass ones also don't have those little hooks, which on the OEM ones hook up under the windscreen. The fiberglass ones use double-sided tape. You can see the red there, that's the double-sided tape, which will peel off in a sec when we're fitting it. And also that center bolt there. We don't use that on the fiberglass ones either. Okay, so this is my own personal car here. I've gone and got it ready. I've taken the bonnet off. I find that a lot easier to fit them. You don't have to do that, but I just find it a lot easier. I've also taken the A-pillar trims off because they need to be taken off to fit the cowl. I won't go into any detail on that because I'm sure there's other YouTube videos around that will do that. Okay, so first things first, what I've done is I've given the bottom part of my windscreen a good clean because we need that to be nice and clean before we prime it, ready for the double-sided tape. So what we're going to do from there, or what I do, sorry if this video isn't perfect, I'm doing it on my phone, trying to hold my phone at the same time. So we sit it in position, we get this is the way I do it. We just get the little locating tabs here. This is just to sit it in position for now to mark where we've got to prime the windscreen. So we just fit these in, just temporarily. Okay. Now then, with a paint pen, I just mark roughly along the windscreen where we got to prime. So it's important to prime it. Prime the windscreen so the double-sided tape sticks well. So from there we can just pull those plastic clips out. These aren't the factory ones, these are just little Christmas tree clips, which is what this car had on it. The original ones are gone, which is fine. Okay, you'll get supplied in the box a little vial of priming fluid and also a little cloth. So from there, just douse the cloth with the priming fluid. Right, so I've got my cloth there with the priming fluid. You know it's just under that line you did on the windscreen. This fluid will also remove the pen from your windscreen as well. So you just prime that. Again, just making sure that your windscreen's nice and clean first before you prime it. Okay, so that's all primed. We'll just let that dry. Righto, so that priming fluid's now all dry, so we'll get the cowl ready. Now what I do is I just peel off part of the double-sided tape just at one end, just a little bit, and flick that over so you can grab it. So sit it in position, put these two little locating pins back in, the little plastic ones. Line it up with the holes. Push that in. Same on that side. We then get our wiper nuts and washers. nuts, washers and rubber grommet there. Just sit that on. Now we'll just do that up loosely. Doesn't need to be tightened all the way up just yet. We'll just help hold it in position. A little bit tricky to do with one hand, but we get there. Righto. So you can see that's sitting off the windscreen a little bit there, but that's fine because we'll push it in as we're doing it all up. And once we've taken the double-sided tape film off, let me just do this one here as well. You might just have to push in a little bit on that one there, a little bit of gentle manipulation to get that one on. Right, so from there, that's sitting in position, your locating tabs are in, you've got your nuts on there. Just going to take the double-sided tape film, the back of that, so I'll take that off all the way along. Alright, and from there we can just start from the middle. So you can probably nip them up a little bit, the wiper nuts. You don't want to do them up too tight. Then from there, just going to push along. Just push the double-sided tape into the windscreen. And all done. Obviously then you go and refit your wipers and your A-pillar trims and your bonnet and everything, and that's done. Brilliant product, made it from fiberglass, so a little bit more durable to the Australian sun than the plastic ones. All done. Cheers.